Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will guide you on how to enable images in Chrome on your PC. Sometimes, due to certain settings or preferences, images may not load automatically in your browser. But worry not, we've got you covered with these simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Step 6. Under the Content section, locate and open images. Step 7. Finally, click on Sites Can Show Images. By following these steps, you can ensure that images are enabled in Chrome on your PC. This will allow you to fully experience and enjoy the visual content on websites. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.